want to show you like a really light, natural makeup look you can do. It's summer, so I don't want anything really heavy. I don't know about y'all, but I just want something light, natural, and I've really been working on my skin, and it's been clearing up a lot because I had a weird little breakout the other day. So I want to actually like really, you know, embrace that and stay on this like healthy skin journey. I don't know if you guys can hear that sound, but I don't know why right when I decided to film, people decided to mow the lawn outside of my house. And it's crazy because it's usually a really quiet neighborhood, but that's just how, I don't know, the universe works. It's like I'm gonna do something and then something just gets in the way. So with that being said, oof, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you guys like pretty much a light look I'll do like if I'm just gonna film or I don't know, running out somewhere and I just don't really have time to like do a very like heavy set. So this is mainly just focusing on skin. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Super quick, easy, nice, natural beat. Hope you guys enjoyed. I promise I'm gonna try to be more active on here. I just moved into my new house about a month and a half, or probably like 2 months ago, so I've been like really absorbed in that, getting it together, trying to post more videos as frequently as possible, especially we're going into the summer, so things should be like, I don't know, a lot like lighter, slower. I don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, let me know your thoughts. Don't just watch, let's, you know, engage, let me know your thoughts. That's it for today, guys.